match 8. We have some early scoring on the Blue Alliance side of the field from Taco, followed by Purple Rain. Over on the red side, Kryptonite fires a volley into the Red Alliance hub. Alpha lining up for a level 1 traversal, and looks like they may be clear. It'll come down to the refs. It's advantage red going into the teleoperated period. Robotics screaming across the field, trying to interfere with the Blue Alliance, while Mech and Cheese plows through the middle, trying to shuttle as much fuel into the Blue Alliance side as they possibly can. Kryptonite firing their own volley into the Red Alliance side of the field as Taco loads fuel into the Blue Alliance hub. Purple Rain shuttling some fuel to their alliance partners. And we've got the Blue Alliance hub just still active as Taco fires some last-minute shots, followed by Team Alpha waiting for the Red Alliance hub. And Kryptonite is just short. Mech and Cheese is up and over the Red Alliance bump. It's elbow pasta out as they try to steal some fuel from the Red Alliance and interfere with Kryptonite's scoring. On the Blue Alliance side, Purple Rain unloads some fuel into the Blue Alliance, followed by Taco, an impressive arc into the Blue Alliance hub. Kryptonite continuing to spray fuel into the Red Alliance side in preparation for their shift. Robotics trying to stake their claim on the Blue Alliance side of the field to keep Taco from scoring. Over on the red side, Kryptonite is ready. Alpha fires into the Red Alliance hub. Kryptonite reloads and fires again. Mech and Cheese trying to serve up a piping hot meal of interference on the Blue Alliance, followed by Taco. Mech and Cheese returns to the Blue Alliance side of the field to try to help score as we enter the end game. Both hubs are active. Kryptonite lines up again. They're a little bit short on a few, but they make the rest. Purple Rain trying to feed their robot. Alpha looks to be off the ground. Taco seems to not be moving on the Red Alliance side of the field. Mech and Cheese comes to try to interfere with Kryptonite as the time expires. Is in. We'll see if those 160 to 75. That wraps up round 2. The Red Alliance wins this one. They move on in the upper bracket to round 4 in match 11, while the Blue Alliance drops down to the lower bracket to continue on in round 3, match 10.